Hello and welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm doing another necessity video. I went to do some laser cutting yesterday and there was a horrible noise coming from the laser cutter and I need to fix it. It does sound like electrical arcing, so I'm going to hopefully be able to fix it quite easy. I don't think there's anything that's actually, broken that I can't fix, but we'll see when we get to it. I'm not 100% sure. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my Patreons. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate everything you've done for the channel. And if you'd like to join them, pop down into the description and there's all sorts of information there, links, etc. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, while nothing is plugged in, I'm going to turn on the actual switch. Then I'm going to connect the actual plug socket to this up to a wireless remote control. Because I do not want to be touching anything to do with this when I press the on button or when the power goes to it. Right, these are the wireless remotes I'm using. This is the Silvercrest wireless socket set. It's up to 40 meters range. That's normally line of sight. I use this type of remote for a lot of different things, but I'm using this for safety measures now. I don't want to be touching anything when I show you what's going on. All you have to do is plug this in and then plug in whatever you're plugging in, and then basically you're away. I've got a whole review on this, so if you'd like to see it, I'll put a little box somewhere. Okay, so this is a surge protected extension lead just to make us a little bit safer, and that's in. Okay, so let's turn the laser on. Right, now I think that sound is coming from the main onboard switch. So I'm going to change that, but obviously before you do that, unplug everything. Even if it's remote control, you unplug it. You do not play with mains voltage at all when anything is plugged in. Okay, this is the switch I got, and I got it from eBay, and basically it comes with a waterproof cap. I'm going to put it on it, I think, just so I don't lose it, as obviously I don't need that. If water gets into this, I've broken it anyway. This cost me a whopping £3.28. So it's not breaking the bank. It, I think, is exactly the same size as the last one. It's all the same specifications, but I think I measured it out. So it just means we can hopefully just fully replace this without any changing of sizing of anything. I don't want to have to re-laser this out, although, it's not going to be super hard to do. Okay, this is the switch in question, and I haven't done anything to it in recent years, so something has happened wear and tear wise rather than, anything I've messed with. All I'm going to do is take these off, which should be relatively easy, remembering to have made sure you've unplugged everything. I'm not your mum, so it's fine if you don't, but you're going to get quite a nice shock. Okay, and then we need to just push this out. Oh, blimey. Finally. That was easy. Okay, next I'm going to plonk in the new switch, making sure it's the same alignment, so the on button is this way. Okay, and that was just a case of connecting it back up how it was. So for mine, it was the blue wires at the back and the red wires at the front. One of my other wires doesn't come unclipped. This is how it came with these switches. And it's so funny how these just do not want to stay connected. I've crimped them tighter and done everything I can to them, but they come undone all the time. I might whop a little bit of hot glue on it. But there it is. Okay, just making sure I haven't loosened anything else. Okay, and I've actually put the waterproof thing on, but that just makes it annoying to press. But that's how I'm going to leave it for now. Right, let's actually plug in the wireless switch again and turn it on and have a look at if that has solved the problem. Okay, let's press the wireless switch and hope that that buzzing has stopped. So far so good. One last try, just to make sure. Perfect. So a potentially deadly problem that was fixed for £3.28. Bargain. Okay, so that was pretty straightforward. I genuinely did think it was the switch, but I wasn't sure. And obviously I couldn't see anything, I could only hear it, and that's where I sort of thought that the sound was coming from, and thankfully it was, and so it was an easy fix. I hope that did help and some of you if you've had the same issue. Anyway, thanks again to you guys for watching, and thanks to my Patreons. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Anyway, thanks again to my Patreons. Anyway, thanks again to my Patreons, and thanks for you to... Anyway, thanks... I'm not sure you guys can see quite how bad this is. That is quite incredible. But at least the 3D print is asking, do I want to continue where it left off? Yeah. I got a feeling that may have failed. So how's your day going?